Ready? Uh-oh, do you know where you're going, Soso? I bet the owner of that car really appreciated that move. Okay, madam.
The ride is over.
The ride is over. Uh-oh. We don't have a very happy camper.
Oh, good girl. You did really well. That was fun, huh?
Always good times with Baba. Good times.